वेलकम फ्रेंड्स टू लिटरेचर मंत्रा। आई एम हर्ष सिंह। ना वीडियो का थंबनेल तो आपने देखा ही होगा। व्हाट इज द डिटेल्ड सिलेबस ऑफ यूजीसी नेट इंग्लिश। नाउ अगर आपको डिटेल्ड सिलेबस चाहिए देन जस्ट व्हाट्सएप अस ऑन दिस नंबर 7678160296। नाउ बिफोर आई शो यू द डिटेल्ड सिलेबस, अगर आप मुझसे जुड़ना चाहते हैं यू कैन फॉलो मी ऑन टेलीग्राम, ठीक है। एंड दिस इज द ऑफिशियल लिंक, Harsh Singh Sir Official, and this is a brief about me. You can read here, ठीक है. And one more announcement: if you are preparing for UGC NET English, then we are starting a new WhatsApp classes batch on the 15th of September. These classes are very comprehensive and very affordable. For any inquiries, just call or WhatsApp us on this number given below. Now यहाँ पे देखो आप, this is the syllabus that you may have already seen, which is also there on the website of UGC University Grants Commission. ये जो syllabus है बहुत ही broad तरीके से इन लोगों ने specify किया हुआ है, UGC नेट इंग्लिश का ही है। बट व्हाट इज द डिटेल्ड सिलेबस? देखो डिटेल्ड सिलेबस इज दिस। So in the detailed syllabus, along with British literature, we cover all of the ages in history of English literature. Afterwards, see here, and then we have American literature. American literature is covered in great detail, and then also post-colonial literature. ठीक है? Literary critics, European literature is there, Dalit literature is there, Indian writing in English, ये काफी important है. Indian aesthetics, लिटरेरी क्रिटिसिज्म एंड लिटरेरी थियोरी, ठीक है, इसको तो कभी भूलना ही नहीं है. लुक हियर, एंड देन लिटरेरी टर्म्स, डिवाइसेस, ठीक है, लिटरेरी स्कूल्स. इन इंटायर ऑफ हिस्ट्री ऑफ इंग्लिश लिटरेचर दे आर मोर देन 30 लिटरेरी स्कूल्स. सो इन सब के बारे में आपको कम से कम इंपॉर्टेंट चीजें पता होनी चाहिए. एंड देन वी हैव लैंग्वेज एंड पेडागॉजी. अगर आप यहाँ पे देखोगे यूजीसी नेट के सिलेबस में तो यहाँ पे भी है लैंग्वेज, बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट्स, थियोरीज एंड पेडागॉजी, इंग्लिश इन यूज, ठीक है. So everything has been covered, and then English language and pedagogy teaching methodologies भी हैं जिस पे क्वेश्चन हमेशा ही आते हैं. Then the evolution of English in India, cultural studies is there, research methodology is also there, ठीक है. यहाँ पे देखो आप cultural studies, research methodology. So everything is covered in great detail. If you want to see this PDF, just call or WhatsApp us on this number 7678160296. And let me tell you that this entire syllabus is going to be covered in our WhatsApp classes, ठीक है. And in particular, what are we going to provide? High quality, comprehensive podcasts, detailed podcast will be there, good explanation will be there, easy to understand, then PDFs will be there, MCQs will be there, and you can get all of this at just this price. And there is one more announcement: if you enroll before 15th of September, जब हमारा बैच शुरू हो रहा है, or let's say by the 15th of September, you can get it at just 3,750, ठीक है. But this price is only available till 15th of September. Now, if you are one of those who don't want to spend too much on coaching, expensive coaching, then this course is just for you. It is very affordable and yet very comprehensive. And if you want to check the trial material, just WhatsApp us on our number. We'll also send you the trial material, including the PDFs as well as the explanatory audios and podcasts. ठीक है? And remember one more thing, that doing a directionless preparation is never going to be helpful. Time is precious, so use it wisely. ठीक है? आपको पता होना चाहिए कि questions कहाँ से आते हैं, and focus on those authors and those areas rather than trying to read anything and everything. So for any inquiries, for enrollment or for the detailed syllabus, just contact us on this number 7678160296. और अगर वीडियो पसंद आया हो then definitely subscribe and like our YouTube channel.